viewers, we have already completed Gann analysis on crude oil with various inspection of tools and diagrams using the geometry and mathematical calculations. Therefore, let's now move on to the astrological way of calculation as per Gann. This is a crude oil chart drawn with the astrological square. As we have already seen in the gold, the same astrological square is being drawn here, taking data from this point as a start point. We already have a confirmation based upon this wedge that the market has given a tremendous reversal. Therefore, we can assure that the trend from this point is in force. Since we have concluded that the trend is in force, what I am actually going to do is, for a short-term prediction, I am taking the point of start to draw the square, and I have completed my square, within which the square is filled with the black lines. The black lines here, this boundary, the square, as you can see, a diamond-like structure. So this constitutes the Indian way of horoscope. Therefore, any movement within the squares, outside the squares is not taken into serious account, but anything moving within the square is taken seriously, and the angular lines here will provide necessary support or resistance which are not visible to usual eye. Because without plotting this, we cannot say that here we can find a resistance or support. Therefore, this, in addition to the static support and resistances, is very, very important dynamic support and resistance, which is invisible to the human eye. After calculation, we have drawn this. Any interaction with the lines will prove to be of higher significance. Therefore, take into account all these things. These lines, the light lines within the square, which will help draw this entire square within, is very, very important point of support and resistances in terms of price, the horizontal lines, and in terms of time, the vertical lines. Therefore, take into account all these things. These are all very important factors that influence the price of a particular asset. Apart from this, I am also going to give you an important 4-level resistance or support, which we will discuss in a later video, which is a simpler one, which will be completed in a short frame. So therefore, try to understand all of this, and if you do have any doubts about the teachings which I have done throughout, please do not hesitate to contact me in order to clarify your doubts. And please be informed that we take the one-on-one coaching sessions on all the Gann and LEADBRAINS methodologies. So we usually use the traditional way of teaching. Therefore, you will be gaining some good knowledge which is not available elsewhere. So take into account all these things. And also, I'd like to discuss about one more important factor which is external to the market. We are not going to draw anything here. The crude oil is an asset which is under the control of Saturn and Moon. Why we are saying Saturn? Because Saturn is a planet which represents pure black color. Anything that is black in the solar system is manifested to Saturn. Therefore, it is very important to understand the position of Saturn so that the crude oil's value can be easily judged. When it is concerned to the Moon, it is really very important that Moon is a very, very short-term planet which does not stay more than 2.5 days in a particular house. Therefore, it cannot be taken into account by earlier way of analyzing. We have to take it up to the day when we are going to trade and all these things additionally. So, as per the additional information given from the astrological kundali or panchangams, the Shani or Saturn is going to get into a transit, and after that he will be leaving the Sagittarius and will be entering into Capricorn. So in Capricorn, he will be at the exalted state for next 5 years. He will be in a strong position. So therefore, this is a representation that the current ongoing downtrend for the crude oil will have to end somewhere nearer. Therefore, these are all the time resistance we have already plotted by using the numerical way of calculation. Therefore, taking into account of this Saturn transit and this astrological square, we have to come to a conclusion that somewhere nearer the time resistance is going to stop the market and it's going to reverse the trend. So this is what we can understand by combining various knowledges, various domains of discipline. All these things will help us to easily eliminate various choices and come to a conclusion at once. Thank you very much for watching this video. If somebody is interested in learning all these methodologies, we provide one-on-one coaching, so you can contact us from the link given in the description box, or you can visit our website LEADBRAINS directly. Thank you for watching this video. I request everyone to share this video with your friends, family, kin and fellow traders, which will be a small obligation. Thank you.